In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Perplexity thread to Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a conversation from Perplexity and get it into a document format that works seamlessly with Google Docs for editing, sharing, and collaboration. We'll start by heading to Perplexity. Use a desktop browser for the smoothest experience since exporting is easiest there. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so your conversation history is available. Once you're on the home page, give the page a second to fully load. This ensures your recent activity and saved conversations appear as expected. Next, open the thread you want to export by using your history. Look for the history area in the interface to browse all your recent threads. This is where Perplexity keeps a list of your past conversations, so you can quickly jump back to the one you need. Scroll through until you find the exact thread you want to export. It helps to scan the titles or the opening lines to confirm you've got the right one. Click to open it and then take a quick look through the conversation to make sure everything you want included is visible. If the thread is long, scroll to load any parts that might be collapsed so the export captures it all. With the correct thread open, find the three-dot menu associated with that conversation. It's typically near the top of the thread view. Click the three dots, then choose Export as DOCX. Perplexity will package the conversation, including the prompts, the responses, and most formatting, into a Word-compatible document. When prompted, save the file to a place you'll remember, like your desktop or downloads folder. If your browser asks for permission to download, allow it so the export can complete. Large or highly detailed threads may take a moment to process, so let it finish before moving on. That DOCX file is exactly what you need for Google Docs. Google Docs opens and edits DOCX files without any special setup, which means you can bring that exported thread straight into your Docs environment and get to work. Once open there, you can refine the formatting, add comments, and share it with collaborators just like any other document. To recap, you went to Perplexity, opened the correct conversation from your history, and used the three-dot menu to export it as a DOCX file. That's all it takes to get your Perplexity thread ready for Google Docs, where you can organize, edit, and share it with ease.